Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Kia Carens Infotainment system. These issues often stem from software glitches. First, try a soft reset through the settings menu. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds or locate the emergency reset pin behind the glove box. For no sound problems, ensure no connected devices are conflicting and check speaker connections if resets don't solve the issue. If problems persist, it may be a hardware malfunction. Keep in mind that Kia has released software updates that have mitigated these issues. When basic resets don't resolve the infotainment issues in your Kia Carens, advanced solutions are available. Start by ensuring your system has the latest firmware updates. Kia provides over-the-air updates that fix software bugs and improve stability. Use the Kia Connect app to download these updates wirelessly and access diagnostic tools for troubleshooting. For vehicles under warranty, visit your Kia dealership for free firmware updates and professional assistance. This ensures compatibility and maintains your warranty coverage. Consider professional diagnosis from a certified Kia technician. This prevents voiding your warranty and identifies any underlying hardware issues that software updates alone cannot fix. For persistent problems, try a factory reset through Settings, System, Reset, Factory Reset. Note that this erases all user data, so back up important information first. Looking ahead, Kia is integrating AI and predictive diagnostics into the infotainment system. This will enable self-healing capabilities and increased reliability, minimizing future issues. Staying updated with these advancements will help minimize infotainment issues and keep your Kia Carens running smoothly.